Okay, class, one more time real quick here. Here's what we got. Can you see our line? Boom, boom, boom. Line going across right here, all the way over there. There's the holes that we've got to cut right here. So what I did, guys, is here, I measured out from the corner. I measured out from the corner. I measured out from the corner to this. I turned it around. It came from this side of my cabinet over here. Came out and I measured down from the top. This is where my line is. I always measure down from my line to the center of the hole. Down from my line to the center of the hole right here, and down from my line to the center of the hole of the drain. These will be 1.5 inch wide holes. This will be a 2.5 inch wide hole. The reason I'm using 1.5 inch now and not 7/8 is because I need to go over the top of these valves. Okay, but my escutcheon plates will still be big enough to cover that hole when it gets done, as long as I take good exact measurements. Which is why I'm shooting my laser line and I'm coming down from my line and I'm coming out of the corner. One more thing I want to show you guys in the corner is we can use a framing square here and we can see how square we're going to be sitting in the corner. If we go up against a wall, come on framing square, we hold it tight against here. Oh, the framing square hits way out here in the corner, leaves me about 1/8 inch out. Even up here, tight against the wall where my cabinet's going to be set, and I come here and the framing square hits way out here, leaves me about 1/8 inch out in the corner. Now, because it's 1/8 inch out, that tells me that this wall and this wall are a little bit out of square with each other. It also says I want to leave my cabinet out just a little bit for that top to go on and have a little bit of an overhang there. So I'm going to come out 1/2 inch. So all these measurements that I took out of the corner, I subtracted 1/2 inch because my cabinet's probably going to start right out about 1/2 inch out of the corner right here. And I'm not even going to worry about it until I get the holes drilled and I test fit it just to see. So right now I got that 1.5 inch drill bit in. I'm going to drill those holes right up here. If I can just find my drill now, what do I do with it? Remember, we start drilling through the backside until that pilot bit gets through, and we just get the hole started right there. We drill so we can just get the hole started. Now we'll come through from the backside so we don't chip it all up on the inside right there. There's one hole coming through. There's the second hole. Don't drill into your knees when you're drilling towards yourself, okay? I got to swap my bit out for the big 2.5 inch hole here, but you guys get the idea. So I'll show you when I set this thing.